What's up, microwavers, and welcome back to a second episode of Becky's Bad Unboxings. Now, just before I start, I just want to quickly mention, please don't forget that this is only a temporary name and I'm only keeping it as this name for now. If you have a better name for this series, please either tweet me or comment in the comment section down below on any of these episodes of this series. Because if you do have a better name and I end up changing the name to that, I've had some great ideas already, but if you end up changing the name to one you've given me, I'll give you a shout out in the description of every single video that goes up on this series. For the second episode, I'm going to be unboxing a power bank. Now, power banks, I believe, are very, very useful to have, and everyone should have one. Even if it's like a really small, cheap mini one, I really recommend getting one of these because they're so useful, especially in an emergency. I had to order a new one because my big pink one has actually broken. When my phone runs out in an emergency, I know I can no longer charge my phone up. It is obviously not a very nice situation to be in. So I had to order a new one from Amazon, and I've got it here right now. So there's not much else I can really say about this for introduction, so I'm just going to begin. Now, most of you have probably bought from Amazon before, but I'm just going to quickly show you what the packaging actually looks like. This is actually an Amazon bestseller, which is why I actually bought it. It's got really good reviews on Amazon. Anyway, this is what the packaging will look like when it first ever arrives. Okay, so now I'm going to try and get it open, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Right, so this is what's inside. It's a PowerAdd Pilot X7 power bank. You should be able to see it quite well, just in case you can't. Now, here's the back of the box. That's all about the actual power bank itself. Now, one bit I'm going to tell you about, which is the most important, is actually the reason I brought it, is the 20,000 mAH, which you probably can see under capacity. This is the most important thing when looking up a power bank. This is the most important thing you should look for. Because the mAH, I don't know the long name for it. I'm so sorry. Please comment down below so actually you can learn a bit more. But I do know the mAH is like the power capacity that the portable charger has. And the higher it is, the more you can charge up your phone or your tablet. Now, my old one was 5,000 mAH and this one is 20,000. I actually got this from Amazon just for 20 quid, but the normally ones that are 20,000 that I've seen have been like 50, 60 quid, so this is actually a really, really good deal on Amazon. And what you can see from the picture at the front, it charges up 2 devices at the same time. It's got like 2 little holes at the front. So this is actually a really, really good one. I'm gonna get it open to show you what it actually looks like, but please educate me on what mAH actually means, because I don't know the full name for it. I just know that it's a very, very good thing to have for a portable power bank, and higher it is, the better it is. That's all that I know. I told you I was bad at unboxings. Okay, and inside I've got a micro USB, which is to charge up your power bank. But this is probably completely obvious already, just in case you don't know this. All power banks need to be charged up before you use them, because if they're not charged up, they can't charge up your phone, and then when you're stuck out somewhere and haven't charged up your power bank, you're completely screwed. So that's probably completely obvious already. Just in case it's not, I wanted to let you guys know. Okay, you probably can see inside. You'll be happy to know that I went for blue. That's probably pretty obvious already. I'm obsessed with pink. I love the colour pink. But this didn't come in pink. It came in black and red, and it also came in blue as well. So I went for the blues. I thought it was the nicest colour. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's actually really, really nice. I do like baby blue colour as well. Now, the first thing I've noticed is that this is quite, I wouldn't say it's heavy, but it does weigh a bit more than my other one does. And it's also quite thick as well. All right, so I'm just going to quickly compare my 2 portable power banks I actually got. So this is the old one that I had. This is a Juice Extreme from Sainsbury's. Now, I know, yes, it is bright pink, but it's also quite sturdy because I am very, very clumsy. So what I like about this one is not that I ever plan to, but you can drop it and it won't really be too affected by it. Now, this one's only 5,000 mAH, and this one is 20,000, like it says on the box. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I first bought this, I really thought it was actually a joke, and I actually ended up buying a 2,000 one for 20 quid. This one was about the same price, it's something like 15, 20 quid. I actually got this from Sainsbury's like 2 years ago. That's why I thought this was a joke. Now, this is, like I said earlier, a bestseller on Amazon, where it's got like loads of 5-star reviews. People seem to really, really love it. So if this is still on Amazon by the time of filming, I really recommend getting it. It's literally only 20 quid, and normally ones of this kind of capacity are like 50, 60 quid. If it's not available on Amazon by the time this video goes up, or you just don't want this one for whatever reason, it's absolutely fine. You can get ones that are smaller. This one's pretty sufficient. This is 5,000 mAH. Like, I mean, I don't think they sell this one anymore, so I can't find it in Sainsbury's anymore, but you can get ones that are like 5,000 online for like 15, 20 quid, maybe 10 quid now, and they're just as good. They don't charge your phone up as much, because this one charges your phone up about 6 times. This one it only does about 3 times in one full charge, but it's still really, really good to get one that's like 5,000 rather than 20,000. But I would really recommend looking at the capacity of a power bank before you buy it, because because that's how many times you can charge it in a full charge, and it just makes it so much better and so much more useful if you're like me, use your phone all the time so your battery dies really quickly. Just like this one has got the 2 USB ports, this one does as well, but the difference between this one and between this one is that this one, it automatically detects when your phone or something else is plugged in. This one doesn't, so what you have to do is you have to press this button and then 2 little things will come up. You probably can see that, you probably can't, I don't know. Then it'll start charging your phone up. Okay, so I completely admit, once I actually used the charger, I realised I got that bit completely wrong. What actually happens is it does automatically detect your phone or tablet when you plug it in. What the actual button is for is just to check how much charge your charger has left. There's the light on this one as well, you probably can see, so when you plug your phone in and it's charging, you'll know about it because the light will come on. And it is the same with this one, there is actually a light there. But the problem with this one is that the light actually stopped working quite a long time ago. So this one has suddenly stopped working, but I have had it for nearly 2 years now, and it did do me well the whole time it was working. They're both pretty similar. As you can see, they're different in size. This one is quite small but quite thick. This one's quite large and quite heavy. Obviously, you can get these in other colours and other kind of textures and designs as well. You don't have to get it in pink. That's the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed that, found it even remotely interesting. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far. And if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to be notified for more weekly uploads, because apparently YouTube is making it so that you won't always get notifications for people. So if you really want to see my content regularly, please press the bell button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.